Hi, welcome to this edition of review of stock market with Emmanuel Ekpenyong. This video is about lessons from quarter one review, 29 March 2024. Do you know that Nvidia made a whopping 82% gain in quarter one? In just 3 months, Nvidia made 82%. Let me make it clearer for you. This means if you had invested 1,000 Nvidia in January 1st, at the end of yesterday, your money would have become 1,800. If it was 100,000, it would become 180,000. If that doesn't shock you, I don't know what else will shock you. So that is what we are going to look at today. How did Nvidia and other stocks perform so well and others so bad in the quarter? And more importantly, what lessons can we learn so that in quarter two, starting next week, we can participate in such big move in the stock market? I am excited for this edition, and I hope you get excited as we dive into the juicy stuff. Always important to remind you of a disclaimer. Do take time to go through it. Okay, let's look at Nvidia. Stock gained 82.84% to be precise in quarter one. I have put some marker on the chart here for you. I'm really excited today. What can you see? Super interesting. You can see at the beginning of January, this stock was really flat. And what a long consolidation. See where my cursor is? A long consolidation. This price was just treading waters. And then there's a big breakout around mid-January with big volume, and then it powered up, and then retrace, and then it continued to power up. And right now, it's treading water a bit, bouncing off at the 21-day exponential moving average. Very, very nice to see. Look at how the stock is aligning pretty well with this moving average. We'll come back to that later. What else can you see? In the last 3 quarters, quarterly report has been super powerful, positive. Okay, let's move on. It was not only Nvidia that did so well in quarter one. Meta platform on our Facebook performed very well with a 35.7% gain in quarter one. Again, very similar chart, guys. Look at the sideways movement for a long time coming into the beginning of the year, and then a lift up above this consolidation area, a bit of a retrace back to the moving average, and then it power up again, retrace back to the moving average, and then gapped up, and then retrace it, and then move sideways again. And right now, it's just about to lift up from another consolidation area. What can you see again? Price respecting the exponential moving average 21. Really nice to see. Oh my God. Again, similar thing. The earning reports in the last 3 quarters have been positive. Remember that the earning reports is positive. Let's move on to the next stock. Lilly and Company is a medical company, and one of their big products is a weight reduction pills that is taking the market by storm. They are not just the only one in the weight reduction category. We have an NVO, we have a Met. Lilly out of a 33% gain in the quarter. Again, you see, coming into the year, the general market was trading sideways, and so was Lilly. And when it broke that, coming off a strong earning report, it powered on and continued to power on. But then it retraced back to the moving average again, and right now is again consolidating. Very interesting to see. What do you see again? Earning reports, the last 3 are positive. It's magic, guys. This is really nice to see. Let's look at the other side of the coin. We always say that the stock market do not always go up. Some stocks do go down. So you also need to learn lessons around those stocks that go down. This quarter, the one that I highlight here for you is Tesla, very popular within the investment community. What can you see here, guys? First thing I want to show you is the area around 266 was a big resistance area for Tesla. The price attempted to pass through, and it was rejected, and then it tracked down below the moving average and continued to move downwards. It tried to recover, slightly above the moving average, but it was rejected and continues to go down. And there's another attempt around the moving average. Oh my God. This is super interesting. What lessons can we learn from all of this? Very important. No doubt, earnings, earnings, earnings. In the three stocks that did well, the 3 quarters earning in a row was super positive. So if you are looking to buy a stock in quarter two, look at their earnings, last 3-4 earnings. My thesis is that when the earning is the last 4 quarters is good, the chance of the stock doing well is very good. The logic is simple. I explained it in the last video. If you have not watched it, please go back and watch my video. You should subscribe to this channel. What are you waiting for, man? I bring you juicy stuff that can help you make money with little or no effort. The next learning that is very important is a higher cost price. The 3 stocks that did well, starting from NVIDIA, a cost in January was about $500. So not cheap. Some people run away from high price stocks. Those are the stocks, however, that attract the attention of institutional investors. Lilly, at the time in January, it was trading around $640, and you want to invest where the big money is going to. And then the last learning that I want to share with you today is moving average is your friend. Moving average. Let's go to NVIDIA. Look at how nice it is that the stock respected this important moving average. You look at Meta, again, moving average holding strong. If there is nothing else you do, let's say you combine any and moving average, you are onto something interesting. And even for Tesla, that moving average works on the opposite direction. I hope you are excited as I am. Looking forward to top performance in quarter two, and hopefully you subscribe and share this channel. Ciao.